Thanks for coming out to our Kami sessions. We're going to have 3 of these Kami sessions about how to use Kami. We feel like it's a underutilized tool sometimes, and so that's kind of our focus. So today we're really going to talk about Canvas in Kami, not Canvas. And Stacy, if you just want to talk about the swag real quick, then we'll get started with the others.
Yeah, so we went to an awesome training a couple weeks ago. We got some great swag. So we are going to just do a little drawing and pick someone who's here with us today. And your ILC will give you, it's a Kami canvas tote bag, and it has some stickers and other Kami things in it. But then also it is filled with full-size snacks for getting through this term.
Awesome. I thought you were going to say full-size snacks for the full-size person. So there you go. All right. So Kami, basically how we're going to do this, I'm just going to open up Canvas and kind of walk you through a little bit to kind of show you how Kami works within Canvas and some of the cool features and unique things that it'll do. And so, which is, so we only got our 10 minutes. And so let's go ahead and we'll get started real quick. So in Canvas, as we got our modules here, we're just going to create an assignment. So we're in the assignment creation screen that we should all be familiar with. And our external tool, we're going to find it, and we're going to go to Kami, the Google Drive assignment. And then you're just going to link to your resources, whatever it is. I've got something on my Google Drive. You could do it from your computer, whatever. So I'm going to make you guys do some poetry today. And so I've got this assignment, this template that I want you to use. And now when we come here, we've got a few different options. And so we're going to kind of go through these 3 options and what they do. The first one is this assessment mode. And instead of showing you myself the assessment mode, Kami actually has a pretty good video that describes it. And so we'll just watch that, and then we'll come back and talk about the other 2. It's only a minute and a half. Oh, the best part is they have a New Zealand accent, so it's really fun to listen to.
Does the video have sound, Dave?
Is the sound not coming through?
No.
Oh.
But we're watching it. So
okay. So now we're watching. I'll kind of, maybe I'll narrate what it's saying so then you can hear. Basically, so far, you click the assessment mode, you can check it. You can check the due date and the time and create that on yourself. And Kami will create like a countdown on that assignment for students. And so that's kind of what you'll see next. So there's the countdown. And then everything else is locked down for students in this assessment mode. And so they can't like share or download or do copy paste or that kind of stuff inside this assessment mode. And that's how they submit. They automatically submit when the time is up. So you don't have to do it. And then you just grade like normal. And then you hit return. You can do it for all students at once or do just one at a time. And then students can go into their own Kami and they'll see their different graded work here and they can pull it up. That's basically it. So I know sometimes we're looking for ways to lock down students as they're working on it, and Kami allows that to happen. That's one way to do it, is through the assessment mode. The other way is you can do these feature controls. And so if we click on that, here are all the tools that are available in Kami, and you can choose to turn those on or off. And so say if you say, I'm going to give students this assignment, and I don't want them to be able to comment on it, I don't want them to draw shapes or add any media, or any of that. So now they can only do these things. Plus, you can also do just like the assessment mode, turn off copy and paste, spell check, closed captions and stuff, whatever you want to help make the assignment however you're doing it for whatever reason. If you want everything locked down, you can. If you don't, if you just want a few here and there, it's great. And then you can also choose to remember that if you want to default your different options for that lockdown features. And so it's really cool to be able to have the assessment mode to lock students down, to be able to use this lock down different resources so that they can't use different tools that you think they might use in nefarious ways or something. But let's kind of get to the main event is what I kind of think, and it's this real-time monitoring. So if we turn that on, let's go ahead and create this assignment. And I'll show you some of the cool stuff that happens with this as soon as this loads. Okay, let's go ahead and save and publish. And so you can't see the features until students have actually logged into it and started working on it. So that's kind of why I need to wait for them to jump in real quick so I can show you what it looks like. Okay, so now as a teacher, I can go ahead and click on the assignment and open it up, and it's going to give me two options. We have this class view and this template view or file. The template file, what that would be used for, say if you needed to make a change on the document that you're sending out to your students, you can click on template file and go and make that change. Or maybe you're like halfway through an assignment and you realize they need a different instruction or extra instruction or something. You can click on the template file, go add that information to the template file, and it'll automatically push it out to all your students. And so that's nice. That's useful. This class view, if I open up class view, as we get it running here, you'll see now I've got the ILC's work here. So we've got Dane, we got Stacy, we got Jason, and we can see if you guys will type in right. Yep, here we go. Can you get an A? Stacy, of course. You can see live what the students are doing on this mode. And the other real cool feature with this, which you might enjoy, especially from SpeedGrader and Canvas, is say we're working and I'm like, this is out of 0 points, but Stacy, you know what? Great work. I'm giving you 10 points. Dane, sorry, you only get 1. Jason, that's pretty good. You get 9. And you put those grades in right here, it's going to automatically send those grades to Canvas. And so you don't have to go into SpeedGrader and deal with all that. It will grade them for you in Canvas in this live view. And it just kind of works that way. So that's what's cool in Canvas, using assessment mode, feature controls, and this new class view where you can see students working live. I mean, it's a little bit of a delay, but you can see them working live and then actually grade in Cami, and it's a little quicker, I think, than working in Canvas. So that is what I've got. Stacy, do you want to just talk about how you're picking winner real quick?
Yes, I don't have a picker up, but I'm going to just put these in an online picker. And then once I pick one, I will, if you want it, I will email you. We'll get it to your ILC and get that delivered to you. So like I said, you get a tote bag, swag, and then I got like full-size boxes of snacks for you to have in your classroom. So yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, Stacy. All right. Thanks, everybody. And again, we'll put this on so you can rewatch it if you want to remember, and it'll be on our website and like everything else.
Yeah. If you need more help with it, talk to your ILC.
Yes, very much. Okay. Thanks, everyone.